Mixer break number 11.
Let's go. Back again.
Back again. Shady's back. We got another giveaway tonight. So in addition to the break, like the regular break that everybody bid on, we're also going to be throwing in an extra Chronicles blaster and an extra Illusions blaster. These are your bonuses tonight, y'all. So we appreciate everybody. So yeah. Last night we gave away a Donruss Mega with our Mosaic. We opened that too with our Mosaic break. So yeah, got a Henry Ruggs auto.
Yeah.
So that was just a bonus. So, but yeah. So tonight, Chronicles blaster, Illusions blaster, for free, for you. All right, let's get a few more people in here and we'll get started.
Big giveaways this week.
Yeah, giving away the farm. What's up, everybody? All right, for those of you that just joined, this week we reached 500 followers this like Sunday or so. So we decided to do some giveaways this week. Yesterday we gave away the Donruss Mega and our Mosaic break for free, and we pulled a Henry Ruggs auto. So that was just a bonus for the Raiders. And then so tonight we're gonna do our regular break, the 2 Illusions blasters, Chronicles Mega, and the 5 Illusion Fat Packs. But we're also going to throw in Chronicle Blaster, Illusion Blaster for you all too. So we got 4 blasters, a Mega, and 5 Fat Packs tonight. Bet. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll do the we'll save the Mega for last.
Yeah, let's do Mega last.
We'll save the Mega for last. All right, we're going to start with the Fat Packs again. 5 Illusions, Fat Packs, 2 Illusion Blasters, Chronicle Mega, and then the bonus, surprise bonus, another blaster and another, well, 2 more blasters, Chronicles and Illusions. All right, here we go. Let's get started. First Illusions Fat Pack. Hey, we pulled a monster hit out of a Fat Pack a couple weeks ago.
Sean Kemp.
Yeah, Sean Kemp, orange auto to 10 out of a Fat Pack. So hopefully we got the same mojo tonight. All right, here we go. Miles Turner for the Pacers starting us off. Tobias Harris, Sixers.
Let's see some Starlights tonight.
I know, I want some more Starlights. We pulled a bunch of those too. Derrick Rose, Pistons. Sorry. Marcus Morris, Clippers. Julius Randle, Knicks. Trey Young, season highlights. Oh, and so those inserts for the Illusions where it's like the rookie,
yeah,
whatever, where it's like the rookie and the vet, the card goes to the rookie team. Let's be real, you're bidding on teams because you want the rookies. So whoever the rookie plays for, that's who that card goes to. Any of the other ones that show multiple teams, we got a coin flip at the end. And that's just to keep stuff going. And then also, if you're new, we got Kenny off on the side. He's sleeving everything up as we go to, again, keep stuff moving. Brandon Ingram, Pelicans. Kyrie, Nets. Russell Westbrook, Human Turbo Button. Rockets.
There we go.
Goga for the Pacers. Ben got in just in time. Rui. Okay. Nice hit for the Wizards. There we go. And Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. All right. We got a Rui on the board. I've been having the toughest times with packs for the last 2 days. I don't know why. All right. Here we go. Trying to do this the best I can without giving away the back. All right, De'Aaron Fox, Kings, Colin Sexton, Cavs, Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder, Blake Griffin, Pistons. Oop. Come on, man. There we go. PJ Tucker, Rockets. Rookie Reflections. See, this is the card we were talking about. It don't even matter. Spurs. Yeah, dude, I know that he got dropped. Not real happy about it.
Okay.
Aaron Baines, Suns. Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. Bruno Fernando, rookie for the Hawks. Another Wizards rookie, Admiral Schofield. And Tricksters.
Wrong Pelican. That's okay though.
That's why I was having a hard time opening the pack. I was trying to hide the what I thought was a Zion. What I hoped was a Zion. Here we go. Fat pack number 3. We have so many cards to open tonight. It's crazy. Here we go. Duncan Robinson. 273s for the Heat. Trezl, Clippers. Dylan Brooks for the Grizzlies. Klay Thompson, Warriors. Elfrid Payton for the Knicks. Brook Lopez. Is that an orange? What is that? I can't remember what comes in the yeah, orange. I'm stupid. We haven't opened Illusions Fat Packs in a while. Brook Lopez orange for the Bucks. Splash Mountain. Zach LaVine, Bulls. Bradley Beal, Wizards. Malik Beasley for the T-Wolves. Matisse Thybulle, nice hit for the Sixers. Nice rookie hit. Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves, nice hit as well. That's our PC, one of them. You can get his cards dirt cheap, and he's a scorer. Look out, seriously. If he leaves Minnesota, because that place sucks. And Kyle Guy. They're soft in Minnesota. The T-Wolves, not necessarily the people. Just saying. The T-Wolves. Bro, what is going on with these? Alright. Slide this out. Dude, what is going on? Alright. I'm trying to be extra careful, and it's kind of screwing me when I'm opening these packs. Thaddeus Young for the Bulls. John Wall, Kentucky Wildcat there. For the Wizards, Will Barton, Hometown Nuggets. Hassan Whiteside, Portland. Terrence Ross, Magic, Duncan Robinson orange for the Heat.
Not bad.
All right, let's get some rookie orange in here. Ice Tray for the Hawks. KD for the Nets. How good are the Nets next year? Dorian Finney-Smith. Mavs. KZ for the Heat. Bobo! There we go.
There he is.
This dude's like Bigfoot. We can never find him. Seriously. It's about time. Bobo. Nice hit for the Nugs. And Quindary Weatherspoon. Rookie for the Spurs. All right, we got one more fat pack. And then we'll move on to some blasters. All right, we got a nice rookie on the back. I don't care. I'm showing you all now because I'm tired of fighting with the packs. Daniel House for the Rockets. Derek Jones, Heat. Shy for the Thunder. AD for the Lakers. D'Angelo Russell, T-Wolves. Derek Favors, orange. Close for the Pelicans. Jamal Murray, Nuggets again. Karl Towns, this is the Kentucky Wildcat pack. Take a drink. Jimmy Buckets for the Heat. Kendrick Nunn for the Heat. There we go.
Nice rookie hit there.
Nice hit for the Heat. Kobe White, back-to-back nice rookie hits. You already know he's on the back, too. Cam Reddish.
That's a good rookie pack right there.
Focus is bad. How's that? Does it look better? Every time I look down, it looks kind of pretty clear. All right, moving on. What do y'all want to do next? Let's just do one of these Illusions blasters. this bad boy open. There we go. 6 packs of 6. Blaster number 1. Here we go. John Collins for the Hawks. Duncan Robinson, Heat. What? First pack? What's going on here? Auto! Okay, that's cool. First pack out of the blaster, we got an auto.
There we go.
For the Sixers. Trophy collection auto. Derek Coleman. Dope. Retail autos are always dope. Patty Mills for the Spurs. Dorian Finney-Smith. And I'm not attempting it. For the Clippers. Rookie. Pack number 2. We always pull autos.
Yeah, we do.
All right. Trezor for the Clippers. Dylan Brooks, Grizzlies. Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Joel Embiid season highlights. Sixers. Markelle Fultz. And Jackson Hayes. Come on, man.
Need that right pill.
Where's Zion? Where's Ja? Got just about... And RJ. That's who we're missing. We got one of everybody else so far. And we got another top 5 pick on the back. Go figure. Elfrid Payton for the Knicks. CJ McCollum for the Blazers. Lonzo, Pelicans. There's a Starlight rookie. Grant Williams Starlight for the Celtics.
Dang.
Nice hit for the Celtics. Okay. There we go.
Hell yeah.
There we go. Steph for the Warriors and DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks.
Let's go.
All right, we've officially hit like every rookie that plays.
We need that job. We need that Zion. Let's go.
All right, Jeff Teague, T-Wolves. Pascal, Raptors. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Victor Oladipo. What is that?
Those are the teal.
Those are the teal. Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot we were in the blasters. I'm stupid. Victor Oladipo teal. That's a nice hit for the Pacers. Kevin Looney, Warriors. And Nasir Little for the Blazers. We played Nasir Little in 2K in the park one night. He destroyed us.
Crazy. Yeah, he murdered us.
Murdered. Here we go. Keep it moving. We got 2 packs left of the first blaster. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Colin Sexton, Cavs. Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder. Oh, okay. Nice hit for the Pistons. Sekou. Instant impact. I love the logos.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Kemba for the Celtics. Cardiac Kemba. And Cam Johnson for the Suns.
Nice hit for the Suns.
Nice hit for the Suns.
He's going to be a monster.
One more pack of the first blaster. Dude, we still have 3 blasters and a mega to go. Last night, Joe Burrow was hiding from us all night. And in the last 2 packs, we pulled a green and a base. Last 2 packs. So, look alive. Blake Griffin, Pistons. PJ Tucker for the Rockets. Thomas Bryant, Wizards.
Ooh.
And Dame Dollar. Mystique. Green one.
Nice
Or-
little teal.
Yeah, whatever. You know what I'm saying.
That's sick.
That is dope. Dame Dollar. Nice hit for the Blazers. Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. And Terrence Mann, rookie, for the Clippers. All right, all right. Let's do the Chronicle Blaster that we're throwing in here tonight. We pretty much are always gonna hook you up, so keep an eye out for our breaks. They're every Tuesday and Wednesday as of now. So a new break will be posted tomorrow. It might be Mosaic, it might be Chronicles. We're not sure. But we're going to have one or the other for tomorrow. They'll be live tomorrow and the next day. Tomorrow's Thursday? Yep. Thursday and Friday they'll be live.
Yep.
Here we go. Chronicle Blaster. Bonus. For free. Here we go. I like the back. Kendrick Nunn for the Heat. Prestige. Pink Zion!
Let's go!
What'd I tell you? What'd I tell
Prestige.
you? Bear with me. Pink Prestige Zion. Let's go for the Pels.
Nice.
Luka Rookies and Stars. Next up for the Mavs. Giannis for the Bucks. Panini. And then a Luka Essentials.
First pack. Okay.
First pack madness.
Let's go.
A Zion and 2 Lukas. Are you kidding me? We're going to immediately throw Zion up here. There he goes. All right, pack number 2. Here we go. Ben Simmons, Sixers. Where are we at? There we go. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. Kawhi, the Claw, Clippers, base. Keldon Johnson for the Spurs. Take a drink.
Good rookie.
And a pink Daniel Gafford.
Okay.
Rookie for the Bulls. Rookie color, first 2 packs. I dig it. And we got the Mega. I haven't even opened a Chronicles Mega yet. At all. So, we're gonna learn together. Here we go. PJ. Hornets. Zion again. Let's go. Number 2. Pink Zion. 2 of them. 2 pinks.
Ooh.
Who's got the hottest hands in the biz?
Let's go.
Seriously. Get off of me. Zion. Let's go. For the Pels. Where's Ja now? We got Eric Paschall, Rookies and Stars. Jackson Hayes, Luminance. And then an Eric Paschall, Recon. 2 pink Zions. Back-to-back packs.
Okay. Let's go.
For free.
Keep it rolling.
For free. All right, let's go. Oh,
like
hell yeah. Me too, buddy. I like the front too. RJ. Knicks. Let's go. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Get out the way.
Ooh.
Okay, Andre Iguodala, AI.
Nice little optic update.
Optic update for the Heat. AD for the Lakers. And Tyler Herro for the Heat.
No marquee base.
Let's go. If you're new, you got to take a drink every time a UK player, a former UK player is pulled. Last one standing wins.
Good luck.
Good luck. We've tried. Andre Drummond.
Pink.
Cavs. Pink D Rose for the Pistons. Tyler Herro. Take a drink. Rookies and Stars. The Heat. Heating up. No pun intended. Zion again.
Damn.
Dude.
What's going on tonight?
Zion's seen Jod take over the break a few times, and he's sick of it. It's his night tonight. Darius Garland for the Cavs Essentials. Let's go. 3 Zions, 1 box. My goodness. And an auto.
Yeah.
Dude. Kobe White for the Bulls. Brandon Ingram, Pelicans. Oh, I thought we had another one. Jackson Hayes, Threads. Kobe White marquee. Kobe's heating up now. And a pink XR RJ Barrett.
Sick. Those XRs are nasty.
Yeah, these are
I
dope.
like them.
Nice hit for the Knicks. It was the RJ that we pulled. It was a numbered score, right?
Yeah, score.
I can't remember
Red
what.
score.
Yeah. That was actually one of our regulars that hit that, Kevin. I'm surprised he ain't watching tonight. Bam for the Heat. Pink Kendrick Nunn. Let's go. Dude. You're starting to expect it. Jarrett Culver, Rookies and Stars. Nice card for the T-Wolves. Kendrick Nunn, base Panini. Double dipping. Back for thirds.
Jeez.
Kendrick Nunn pack. Let's go, Heat.
All the cards across the board.
They couldn't get a dub when it mattered, but they're fighting to win the break.
He's looking real good tonight. Real good.
All right. Last bonus Chronicles. And we're starting it off with Luka the Don. Let's go. Threads for the Mavs. Steph, greatest shooter ever lived. Prestige. Oh, man. Buddy. We got Prism update.
What we got here?
We got a Prism update.
Prism update?
Yep.
What we got?
Here we go. Kawhi!
Ooh.
Nice hit for the Clippers.
Pulled a silver a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, pulled a silver Kawhi. That one was also to Kevin, one of our regulars.
Nice.
Who's got the Clips tonight?
Nice hit Clips.
Domingo Chavez.
That's good.
Nice. Update Prism for the Clippers. Romeo Langford. Luminance for the Celtics.
Good, too.
And Giannis Essentials. Dude, that's dope. All right. Just a quick recap. We just pulled an auto, 2 colored Zions, a base Zion, and a Prism update out of the same box. Break with us.
A pretty solid box to me.
Yeah, that's the bonus box, dude. Break with us. I'm telling you. Every Tuesday and
We
Wednesday.
got one more bonus box.
Yeah. No, yeah. We still have 2 Illusions Blasters and the Mega. 172 cards to go. This is unreal. Here we go. Pack number 1. Illusions number 2. Alright. Son of a gun. There we go.
Ooh.
Tricksters. Kristaps for the Mavs. Devin Booker, take a drink for the Suns. Jonas Valanciunas, Mavericks. Or what am I talking about? Grizzlies. I just saw the M's. Tyler Herro, red. Let's freaking go. Numbered to 199.
Ooh.
Come on, buddy.
Nice.
There it is. Bang. I'm going to say it again. Bang. Let's go.
Nice.
Hey, that's 3 drinks. 1 for Tyler Herro, 1 for color, 1 for the number.
Ooh.
I hope you're keeping up at home. Let's go. Jay Crowder, less exciting, but also for the Heat.
Ooh.
Jackson Hayes, Pelicans.
Big.
Oh my God, dude.
Big hit Heat.
All right, y'all. I will officially open your boxes for you for a small fee. If you just send it to us, I'll open it for you. $5. You pay for the shipping. I'll pull you Heat. I've been hot for 2 weeks. Let's go. Danilo Gallinari, Thunder. Marc Gasol for the Raptors. Wendell Carter Jr., Bulls. Gary Harris, Teal for the Nuggets. Gary Harris. You've been to the Pepsi Center, you've heard it. Kyle Lowry, Raptors. And another DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks.
Oh no, these are the Emerald. These aren't
Emerald. You know, whatever. We don't care. We got pink. I know those are pink, and I know that's a numbered red. That's all I care about. CP, Thunder. Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls. Eric Bledsoe, take a drink. Bucks. Oh my God, those bastards. NSFW, sorry guys. Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Instant impact. BI for the Pelicans as well. And Nasir Little. Hell yeah, Ron, you better be taking 4. Nasir Little, again, whooped our ass.
Yeah.
In 2K.
It was not good.
And we're, like, I'm just saying, we're kind of good. He beat us 22-2. It was embarrassing. I can't believe I just said that on camera. Nasir Little, if you're listening, I want a rematch. Josh Jackson for the Grizz. Terry Rozier, Scary Terry, Hornets. TJ Warren for the Pacers. Okay, we got an acetate. Deep book!
Ooh,
That's another double shot right there.
clear shots.
Let's go. Take a drink.
That is nasty.
Nice. Nice hit for the Suns.
Ooh.
All right. Kyrie Irving next up. Cam Johnson, a nice pack for the Suns. Everybody's getting hits.
I love these acetates.
Dude.
So nasty.
I think they feel cool.
Yeah.
I know that's goofy, but I think they do. Kevin Love, Cavs, let's go. Tristan Thompson for the Cavs. Domantas Sabonis for the Pacers. Admiral Schofield, Emerald. Nice hit for the Wizards. Human Turbo Button, Russell Westbrook. And Terrence Mann for the Clips. Okay. Gordon Hayward. What's up, Mark? How you doing, buddy? Draymond Green, you're missing some bangers, dude. Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Career lineage, Steph.
Okay.
All right. For the Warriors.
Nice.
Greatest shooter ever live. Jamal Murray. Take a drink. And Ignas Brazdeikis for the Knicks. Yo, Mark, dude. Number Tyler Herro. 2 pink Zions. An auto. Stacks. Here we go. Last Illusions Blaster, then we're moving on to the good stuff. The good stuff. Mega Chronicles. Here we go. Last Illusion Blaster. Dante DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Christian Wood, Pistons. Andrew Wiggins for the Warriors.
Another acetate.
The Big O.
Okay.
That is sick. That is dope. Who's got the Bucks?
Shit, Bucks.
I want that. That is dope. Nice hit for the Bucks. Bismack Biyombo. And RJ Barrett. Let's go. Had a few RJs tonight. For the Knicks. All right. Keep it rolling. Al Horford for the Sixers. Josh Richardson for the Sixers. DeAndre Ayton for the Suns. Ja Morant. It's about time, big fella. Instant impact, Ja. Nice hit.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. Spreading the love.
Big hit Grizz.
I told you y'all, bear with me. Sometimes I gotta get warmed up. Gotta get loose. JJ Redick. And Terrence Davis for the Six. It's about time, Ja. Where you been, my guy? All right. Thomas Bryant, Wizards. Paul George, Clippers. Bogdanovich for the Kings. Grant Williams.
There we go.
Another color Grant Williams rookie for the Celtics. Got a starlight of him and that. Harry Giles III for the Kings as well. And Cam Reddish for the Hawks. These packs are crazy, dude. Okay. Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder. Blake Griffin, Pistons. PJ Tucker for the Rockets. Teal Bogdan for the Kings. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. And Kobe White for the Bulls. Let's go. Kobe stepping up. Where's that jaw at, Kenny? In the stack? Yeah, alright, I'm gonna grab it here in a second. Jonathan Isaac, Magic. De'Aaron Fox, take a drink for the Kings. Colin Sexton, Cavs. Rookie Reflections, Kobe White, Derrick Rose. Nice. As we said before we started, it goes to the rookie team. So
Bulls, good hit.
Bulls, nice hit. Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. And Kendrick Nunn for the Heat.
Okay.
Heat staying relevant. Let's set jaw right there.
Gotta get some crazy playing time with Dragic going down.
Man. Yeah. I didn't see it, though. I wasn't paying attention. I don't know what happened. Lonzo for the Pels. Josh Okogie for the T-Wolves. Pascal Siakam for the Raptors. Teal Paul George, choke artist, Clippers. Aaron Baines for the Suns. And Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. All right. Here we go. This is why everybody came. The Chronicles Mega. I don't know, how are we doing on time? Oh, we're good. Never mind. I was gonna say Instagram only lets us go for an hour, so if for some reason it kicked us off, we'd be right back on in less than 15 seconds. Just a heads up on the very off chance that happens. Here we go. She's ripped.
Let's see some fire.
She's sleeved. De-sleeved.
De-sleeved?
Yeah, buddy. Alright. What's going on here? Oh, they got little wood things between them. I said this is my first mega. Bear with me. Alright. 20 packs of 5.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was nice. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skid it! All right, here we go. Without further ado, pack number 1.
Looking for some red obsidian parallels.
Red obsidians. The teals, right? Also? Or the blue ones?
I believe those are all...
The bluish ones? Yeah. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. The Claw for the Clippers. Rui for the Wizards. PJ. There we go. That's our first PJ. Take a drink.
I got a few.
Is it? I don't know. I don't remember. Carson Edwards. That's teal. Essentials. Nice hit for the Celtics. 95 cards to go. Ben Simmons. Kobe White Phoenix for the Bulls. Let's go. Nice hit for the Bulls. Terrence Davis for the Raptors. Jordan Poole Luminance for the Warriors. And Jackson Hayes. Base marquee for the Pelicans. All right, starting us off, PJ again. Jarrett Culver, Panini. Nikhil Alexander Walker.
That was a teal, Jarrett Culver there.
Oh, it was. I'm sorry, the lighting's weird from the way I sit. Teal Jarrett Culver. Nice. Jarrett Culver base. That's a base. And RJ for the Knicks. Keep it moving. It's hot in here, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Like legit. No jokes, though. It's hot. Luka for the Mavs. Teal Sekou for the Pistons. Nice hit for the Pistons. PJ Luminance. PJ showing his face a lot. Eric Pascal for the Warriors. Jackson Hayes XR for the Pelicans. All right, Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Giannis. That's a teal prestige Giannis. There we go. Nice hit for the Bucks. Kai Bowman Donruss update for the Warriors. Sekou base playbook this time for the Pistons. Cam Reddish essentials. Hawks. Nice hit for the Hawks. Oh, we got something cool. Andre Drummond, Cavs. RJ Barrett, Knicks. Ja Morant, flexing on him.
Let's go.
Okay, Ja's trying to catch up a little bit. Brandon Clark, XR. That's a base, right?
Yeah.
Right, I didn't want to miss that one. Teal Giannis again.
Ooh,
Marquee for the Bucks.
that's sick.
Another good hit for the Bucks. Right now the break is a toss up for me between the Pels and the Heat. Who you got? Who do you think? Jackson Hayes.
You got Pels and
Eric Pascal, hometown heroes. I think it's. I'm giving the nod to the Heat.
yeah, I think the Heat.
DeAndre Hunter. Luminance Darius Garland for the Cavs. And Ice Tray Marquee.
Oh, Knicks are catching up though too.
Ain't close to the Heat. We got it numbered to 199. Tyler
That's
Herro.
true. That is very true.
B.I. Brandon Ingram for the Pels. Teal Luminance Nikhil Alexander Walker. So close. We're getting there. We're getting there.
There we go, Tyler Herro.
Tyler Herro. Base Luminance for the Heat. Romeo Langford. Celtics. Bang!
Ja Morant.
Ja Morant. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Coming in hot.
That's 3 of them. We want more. We're greedy. We want 50. All right. Jaren Jackson Jr. Base for the Grizz. Teal James Harden for the Rockets. Nice hit. LeBron James. Where have you been, my guy?
Right?
We normally pull like 10 to 15 LeBrons every night. Ja Morant again.
Damn.
Ja says, step aside, Bron. Playbook. Let's go. And the beard. Again, Marquee. Ja Morant.
The job's flowing. Let's get back to Zion then.
Yeah, I'm down with more Zion. Kobe White for the Bulls. CP, Thunder. The beard again, Panini for the Rockets. Jordan Poole, Warriors. And DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks. Number 4 overall pick. Don't sleep on him. Steph for Warriors. Prestige. Bam, take a drink. Luka Luminance for the Mavs. Nice. Nice hit for the Mavs. DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks again. And the rich get richer.
Wow.
Teal Recon for the Heat. Kendrick
sick.
Nunn.
That is nasty.
Nice
These
card
Recon-
for the Heat.
The recons look good.
Kyle Lowry. Base Chronicles. Bobo Crusade!
Ooh.
My man!
A second sighting.
Oh! A
Dang.
second sighting. He might be real. He might be real. Crusade for Bobo. Nice hit for the Nuggets.
Let's go.
Kobe White, Bulls again. Keldon Johnson take a drink for the Spurs. Brandon Clark for the Grizz. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 more. 8 more. 40 more cards. Let's go. I know y'all saw that. Devin Booker. Chronicles. Jarrett Culver. T-Wolves. Keldon Johnson, take a drink.
Ooh.
Luminance.
What's up next?
Oh, you just wait, bud.
What's next?
Luka Essentials and
What we got there?
button your britches. Teal John Morant Marquee.
Jeez.
Let's go.
Another one.
Another one.
What is going on?
What is going on? I'm ripping these packs. Small fee. Send your box to me. I'll pull you heat. That wasn't even intentional. Steph Curry. Oh, no. Auto! Rookie! Hometown Heroes auto!
What?
For the Bulls!
Man.
Dude,
The numbered?
I don't know, man. But it is sick. It is not numbered.
Woo.
But it's pretty.
Rookie auto. Okay.
And do not sleep on Daniel Gafford.
Now we are cooking.
Oh, my goodness.
Second auto of the night.
Give me the ball, coach.
Woo.
Hey, give me a break. You just missed it, man. Rookie auto. Teal Jaw. Crusade Bobo. I could go on for days. We'll catch it. Join us at the end, and we always go through our big hits, and you can get caught up. That's for everybody. Giannis, Keldon Johnson. Every night at the end, we go through like all the big hits. Normally there's a lot. We go through real quick. But here we go. DeMar DeRozan for the Spurs. Kai Bowman for the Warriors. Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves. Kobe White, Luminance for the Bulls. Eric Paschal Recon for the Warriors. Still got 5 packs, dude.
5 more packs.
5 packs still. And we got more fire coming from it for you. Double fire.
Double fire.
Zion.
Ooh,
Let's go. Another one. K-Love in the morning. Teal for the Cavs. Decent hit for the Cavs. Ice Tray. Panini. Terrence Davis. Donruss update. Tyler Herro Marquee for the Heat. Let's go. All right. Final countdown. Jackson Hayes, Prestige. D. Rose for Pistons. John Morant, Luminance. Oh my goodness.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness. Give me the ball. Darius Garland for the Cavs. And a Teal Tyler Herro Essentials.
Damn.
I'm sorry if I'm loud. But give me a break.
Wow.
Let's go.
Tyler Herro.
Let's go. Again, we break every Tuesday and Wednesday. The bids end at the same time all the time. The break starts at the same time all the time. And it's pretty much this fun all the time. Warriors. Klay Thompson. Oh, son of a bitch. Jackson Hayes Flux for the Pelicans. Nice hit for the Pelicans. The Claw, Panini. Cam Reddish for the Hawks. And Kobe White for the Bulls again.
Let's go.
2 more packs and we'll go through the hits. Again, we always keep you updated on the breaks. So just check the Instagram page. You'll see tomorrow. Damian Lillard for the Blazers. Terrence Davis, Teal Playbook. Kendrick Nunn, Panini. Zion again.
Let's go.
Base Panini Zion. We ain't done. Scott Van Pelt says, I ain't tired yet. Darius Garland for the Cavs. All right, last pack mojo. Let's go. We've seen first pack mojo all night long. Here we go. Kendrick Nunn, Prestige for the Heat. Shy, Chronicles. Teal, Chronicles. Take a drink. PJ, take a drink. Double fisting. Romeo, Luminance. And Goga for the Pacers. What a break.
There we go.
Big night for
everybody.
Here we go. Let's run through them real quick. Starting us off, my man, the myth, the legend. Tyler Herro, numbered to 199, red for the Heat. Daniel Gafford for the Bulls, rookie auto. Hometown Heroes. Pink Zion. Ja Morant. Instant Impact. Another Pink Zion. Another Zion. Teal Tyler Herro. His prisms are up to like 450.
Jeez.
As 10s.
Whew.
Ja Morant Luminance. Another Zion. A Teal Ja Morant. He said, I will not be outdone by Tyler Herro. Bobo Crusade. Teal Kendrick Nunn. Another Ja. Another Ja. Teal Giannis. Another Ja. Kobe White. Kobe White. Grant Williams. The Big O. For the Bucks. Acetate. Steph, greatest shooter ever. D Book.
Those clear shots are sick.
Wet, like I'm Book.
Kawhi.
Update Prism. Pink Kendrick Nunn. Pink RJ. You know what to say.
What's that?
Another one.
There you go.
Tyler Herro. Again. Daniel Gafford Pink. Dame Dollar Mystique. Another Instant Impact. These cards are sick. Grant Williams Starlight. Rookie.
Starlights are nasty.
Oh yeah, by the way, we pulled 2 autos. Let's go. For the Sixers, Derek Coleman. Kobe White again. Cam Reddish. Kendrick Nunn. Bold Illusions again. And pretty dope, Orange Duncan Robinson.
There we go. What a night. What a night.
All right, y'all. Tomorrow, we're going to do a live break of super cool box. Here, hold on just a second. I'm so stoked. You have no idea. We're going wildcat hunting.
This thing is massive.
2012. NBA Hoops. We're looking for Anthony Davis. We're gonna be
4 cards per pack, 12 packs.
Yeah, this box is freaking huge. So we're gonna be opening that tomorrow, and then Friday or Saturday we have a PSA sub coming. If you want to join us, we're gonna rip that. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Don't get embarrassed on live. And breaks will be live tomorrow and Friday, and we'll see you guys next Tuesday and Wednesday again. Appreciate you.